Good morning and welcome back to another vlog, and today's vlog is called Day at the Sea because we are gonna spend the whole day cruising to our next port of call, which is tomorrow morning, Puerto Costa Maya. So we are gonna spend this day at the sea and we are gonna bring you guys with us in whatever we do. And for now it's around 9 o'clock in the morning and we are just wearing our swimwears and going for some breakfast, and then we'll go straight to the pool and the upper deck to enjoy some cruising time. And then I'll walk you through as we do the rest of the stuff today. So stay tuned. Today is gonna be amazing because there are a lot of stuff that we are gonna do today.
Okay guys, so we are at the 10th deck where there's a pool and we did some photos and all this stuff. Now we're gonna go get some towel and jump in the pool or the jacuzzi. Let's see. And it's such a beautiful weather today.
You wanna show them from there?
Yeah.
Somebody coming back?
Bakilon.
Okay, we are here to collect our towels.
How are you?
Good.
How many towels you need?
2.
Thank you. Okay, we got our towels and now we are just going to find a place. We're going in a pool, right?
Yeah. Fine.
So we are gonna go find some place and then we are gonna go in the pool. That's the shower station right behind me. You can take a shower before you go in the pool.
You see them flow around them, cannot notice. Ready to survive, yes, from the grave. All they to remain the ones on fire.
Yeah.
Ones on
Okay guys, so we are here at the pool deck. Tanya is just right there, she's coming. And we are watching a hunting game. It's their heart.
Okay? First rule is please no running. Okay, no running because safety first. You can touch her like this. You can skip a little bit, but no running, or you can walk really fast.
So we are gonna watch this game. I'll give you a little glimpse of here and there, and then tell you how was it.
First one. Wait, I will say go. Okay, when I say go, you go. Okay. I'm asking for a bottle of water. Wait. Empty. Go. An empty bottle of water. KJ. The last person to come will be eliminated. 2. You can give me the keychain only, the keychain. Where's the other one? Where's your keychain? Yes, it can be. Who's that one? An empty bottle of water. Please help, guys. Come on, you can help him. Give me your keychain. Where's your bottle of water? Who's the last one? Aww. How many are you? 2, 4, 6. We still have one more. 2, 4. Where's the other one? Where's your bottle of water? You can't find one? Who came last? You or him? You still have time. Come on, go get a bottle of water. Come on. Help them, guys. Come on. Help them. Ooh, ooh. Where's my music? You can find one. So the last.
Guys, so
Surprise!
yeah, so there, because of some medical issue with someone, the itinerary has changed, and tomorrow we are, instead of Costa Maya, we'll be going to Cozumel tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we just called up and
Technically,
changed.
they just swapped it.
Yeah.
From whatever. So tomorrow was Costa Maya, day after tomorrow was Cozumel, but now they swapped it because Cozumel.
The day after tomorrow.
Yeah, so now Cozumel is tomorrow because the person could get better medical attention.
Yeah.
But the thing is now that we are gonna be docked at 9 p.m. tonight.
Yeah.
So we'll be in
Until
Cozumel
tomorrow
tonight.
evening, 7
Until
o'clock.
tomorrow evening, 7 p.m.
Yeah.
So we just went to the guest service and they were kind enough, they are actually letting everybody call their excursions ahead of time. So we called our excursions that were booked in Cozumel for day
Yeah.
after tomorrow to adjust to tomorrow. So we are done with all that. It had barely took 10 minutes to sort everything out, so it's no big deal. That brings us to a point that we'll also put some kind of in the description box for tomorrow's vlog. We'll put the excursions agency's name because they are very nice. They adjusted everything and we'll have more to review tomorrow. But yeah, so basically this is the change in itinerary for tomorrow. But today is the same, except the fact that we won't be sailing overnight. We'll be docked at the pier and still sleeping in the room.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, I don't want to go out and spend money in getting a
No, there's no point.
Getting a hotel or something to sleep, right?
There's
to have
no
a room
point,
here.
yeah.
So, but yeah, I mean now we can chill more. We can just chill on the cruise overnight late and then we can go. And now we are gonna be docked until 7 p.m. Earlier it was a little bit less, I guess.
Yeah.
And then our last day would be Costa Maya and then cruising back again. So that's the change in itinerary. And we just went to the Royal shops and Tanya got a little something. Yep.
It was like a $10 sale for everything.
Yeah, I mean watches and whatnot, like bow ties and everything is like $10. So she got like 2 cover-ups.
And we'll go and see some more shops now.
Yeah,
The other one.
and it's like flat $10. So you know it is duty-free and tax-free shopping
Like
on
airport.
cruises. So yeah, so that's the plus. So anyways, we also have to do our lunch in
and
some
then,
time.
yeah.
So we are gonna go for lunch and watch belly flop maybe.
Yeah.
And then we'll maybe go to casino or something. So let's go. Okay guys, we are done with the dinner. Sorry, we are done with the lunch. And we didn't show you. Yeah, so we had some fries, but we also had some rice and curry, raita and all that stuff. And now this is my dessert.
We are sharing that.
Yes, we are sharing that. This pistachio dessert, this is chocolate dessert, this is...
Pound cake?
No, this was peach upside down something something. And this was something something. And this is chocolate cookies. I don't remember, what was this? This was... No, this is something else. Toffee something, I don't know. Anyways, so we're gonna try these and enjoy some dessert.
That's a big score for you, and that's a big start. So you have to come with your A game, all right? So here we go. Our next contestant. Please make some noise for John. All right, John. Where are you from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. What do you do back home?
Sell insurance.
He sells insurance! How about that? I think you're doing the best thing ever in your life. Because you be selling yourself some insurance, that's for sure. Alright, so here we go. John, are you ready? Alright, come on up. Here we go, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. right, we got some 4s, we got some 5s, woo, we got some 4. We got 4s all the way, woo, we got 5s all the way out there. And we got some 4s all the way, woo, it's 4 across the board. We got some 5s, woo, we got 4s and 4s. All I see is 4s. And that lady there, she's not been drinking enough. She gave him a 3, okay? And we got 5s and 4s over there. 4. 5. Why you gave him a 5, man? Yeah. He's your husband.
There she is, already. That's her gown. Tonight is the formal night.
Yeah.
So on your cruise compass, you get what night it is. So tonight is the formal night. Here's the cruise compass. Let me show you real quick. So if you would see over here, it says tonight's dinner dress suggestion is formal or white attire. So, and I am ready as well. If this can focus, yep. I'm wearing, let me show you here.
Let me show you what he's wearing. This is what he is wearing.
Yep. So tonight is a formal night suggestion. While we were packing up the clothes, we told you about this. And if you haven't watched that video, then go in the description box, click the link, and see what to pack for men and women when you are cruising. But anyways, tonight is the formal night. We are all dressed up. We are going out right now at 7:30, which is 2 minutes from now. There is the captain's address and champagne toast. And after that,
we'll go for
picture with captain, and we'll go for our dinner.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. We won't be taking the camera right now with us. We'll be leaving it in the room. So once we come back, we'll tell you. We have shown you what to expect for dinner anyway.
Yeah.
So tonight we are taking the formal night just for 2 hours. But we'll come back and we'll tell you how was it, and then we'll tell you what's next. What's up, people? We are changed back to normal. We came back to room. We changed.
We had super delicious dinner today.
Oh yes, the delicious dinner. Oh, the dinner was super duper delicious. I tried bunch of new stuff.
Yeah.
So that was good.
And while coming back, I got a $10 tote because I forgot to bring one of my bag, and this was a very nice chance for me to do shopping because I also forgot. So for tomorrow's day, I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing now. You have to see in our next vlog. So for tomorrow's day, I got this bag. Super excited for tomorrow, and look how pretty it is. It has flamingo here, and the back is something like this.
Yep.
And this was just for $10. So.
Yeah. So and then she can later use for shopping to Trader Joe's or things like that. You know.
Because
so
we are planning to go for shopping without using plastic bags.
Yeah.
So we're trying to do
something like this.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Remove that thing.
And we are, by the way, we are already docked in Cozumel. So,
yeah.
I mean, technically, if you think about it, we have the whole night to actually go out of the ship and go to downtown, do whatever we want to. But there are a couple of things that we would rather want to not miss on the ship. So, right now, we are going to go. Oh, is this a zipper?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. By the way, it has a zipper in it.
Yeah.
So that's really good.
So we are going to the deck now.
So we are going to the deck. We are finally getting some signals in our phone. So we are gonna put some stories out there, and
it's really nice. It's like waterproof from inside. I'm planning to buy vegetables in this once I go back home.
Why are we opening more?
Oh, I know. Cool.
So the only one more thing we might end up doing today is there's this great game show. It's called the
Marriage.
Love and the marriage game show. So the marriage game show, and that is one more thing that I'm asking her to do. So we might do that, but there's a lot of time yet before it happens. It's at like 10 or something. So we are gonna go to the deck, roam around, and just spend some time before we actually go out tomorrow. So I think that was it. That was our day 3C vlog, day at the sea vlog. And we had so much fun with all the belly flop competitions and all that stuff. Delicious food, formal dining.
Even sleeping in between, like we even took rest for 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
We slept, had a good nap and everything. So
yep. So we are gonna end this vlog right now and enjoy some of the pictures. We are gonna put here, right here. Enjoy some of the pictures, and then we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.